Hey everyone, hope you're all good today. Don't forget to smash the subscribe button and the notification bell. So I really want to get straight into this today. The planet Mercury. I've been closely watching, researching and studying this planet, taking in other people's opinions, reading through data and looking through any satellite imagery as well. And as I've gone along doing this, I've discovered something, well, that just may solve some mysteries of this planet. And there are some things that I still ponder on the back of my mind. Mercury is not alone as to itself, it is very active. And I'm going to let you know why. If you take a look at these following pictures, and including this title as well, this planet is constantly under attack. I mean, just look at it. It's taken a hell of a beating from everything thrown at it in the solar system. The pictures you see here are all from satellite probes taken at different altitudes, angles, and including close-up satellite imagery as well, like this one here. Most of the images you see here are of craters. And these craters are clearly created by things impacting on the surface of the planet Mercury. And some of them are not craters, and I'll let you know why. So what's it being attacked by? Most of the things it's attacked by are rocks, meteors, asteroids, hypersolar wind strikes from the sun, and many other items as well, and objects. Now, so far I've told you what it's being attacked by, and now I'm going to tell you why it's being attacked. And this is a shocking discovery about this, so keep listening and you'll know why. What's the planet Mercury made of? The planet Mercury is made up of its core, with very little surface crust. That core is nothing but pure iron. It's morphed into craters, and also what most people don't know is that this planet has many mountains made of nothing but pure iron. Now I know this because if you look closely here on this next image here, you'll see as the sun passes, you'll see the shadow of this pointy edge here. This one here. Can you see that? Right. Now this could be a mountain, it could be in the shape of a pyramid, and I'll let you know why more later in this video. First of all, I need to tell you what the purpose of this planet is. This is what I've discovered as well, that the planet Mercury has been designed and developed specifically for the protection of the Earth. It acts like a shield for the Earth. How this works is that these iron mountains, as such, craters and surfaces of the planet Mercury absorb the sun's heat rays and powerful winds in order to become a heat conductor. Yes, that's right, it's a heat conductor. The planet Mercury is a big floating iron ball in space, making it the biggest heat conductor in our solar system. I mean, if you think about it, hence why it has a low and weak magnetic field, because Mercury's magnetic energy cannot sustain itself in such ferocity from the heat of the sun. However, its magnetosphere is just powerful enough to catch any flying objects with iron properties that were meant to hit the Earth. And that's why it's attacked so much, because there are certain objects that are headed towards the Earth, and this planet catches them, catches the fire or the heat of the Earth, of the sun, and it's not blasted past by it, it absorbs it, so it protects the Earth. So planet Mercury is designed to take the hit for us. There is no other explanation for this, so we owe this planet a lot. Now moving on to this, what happened to both of these two? I'll tell you what happened to both of these two. Both of these probes were attacked by this planet by the planet Mercury. When I say it attacked them, I mean it attacked them with its energy. As soon as that happened, both of these probes' standby modes were activated. They both survived that first wave. However, the probe's makers were decided to have one more try, and on that second try, the messenger probe, which is the top one there, was used to take pictures of the planet Mercury at different altitudes. So they got it a bit more closer, and then all of a sudden it got caught up in the planet's magnetosphere. It got caught up in the planet's ion energy fusion core, which is so powerful it's impossible to even move on there. I mean, once it's got you, it's got you. It's all metal, right? Cassini space probe was then diverted to other planets, including Saturn, and to explore Saturn's moons, Titan, and the others as well, which I'll make another video of later. Now, the planet Mercury is too big to explore. Just one of its craters takes forever to walk around. It has craters within craters. Well, what really got to me is that craters are supposed to look like this. As you see on the top one here, this is Earth's craters. And as you can see, there is nothing inside the middle of these craters. However, the craters on Mercury, which is this one, seem to have things in the middle. These are craters. These what may look like to some as craters are not actually craters. Okay. So I thought I'll take a closer look at them and realize that they are actually iron mountains and iron canyons. This particular canyon may look particularly small from where we view it from, but this is a canyon within a canyon. It just goes on forever. This would make the Grand Canyon look like a playground. Some of these locations are so perfect in shape that they remind me of pyramids, as you can see here. So this particular one, this bit here, has the pyramid effect to it. Okay, as you can see there. The line of this crater goes inwards. Its shadow is then created here, but it's not the shadow of that. It's the shadow of what looks to be like either a pyramid or a mountain. What I've also discovered is how this planet actually survives with the extreme heat of the sun. Remember, the day side of this planet reaches temperatures of up to 800 degrees Fahrenheit, which is about 427 degrees Celsius. In contrast to that, the chilly side night side can get as cold as minus 290 Fahrenheit, which is about 180 Celsius, giving the planet an average temperature of 332 Fahrenheit and 167 Celsius. So you wouldn't be able to walk in there, you'd be dead. However, on the night side, it becomes so cold that polar ice caps have been discovered, which are on this image here. I'll show you now. This image here, at the bottom here. Now, the ones you see in red are lakes. The ones you see in orange are big massive polar ice cap structures, polar mountains. And what shocks me the most is the intelligent process and nature of this planet. It knows in order for it to survive from the helm of the sun's heat, it will have to have a mixture of cooling within it as well. I mean, when there is a fire, you need water, right? However, that's working by the power and force that it has it possessed, and with all its duties, it has to serve the Earth. It indicates that Mercury is a very, very active planet, but we don't like to talk much about it. So that's it. These are the things I've discovered. So it gets hit by all these different objects in order to protect the Earth. So it's there. It's our friend, basically, you could say, in one way. I hope you guys learned something today, and if you need to, just please keep repeating this video over and over again. Please keep in touch by pressing the subscribe button, as I'll be making more interesting videos like this again. And if you have any questions, anything you want to talk about, please do comment below on this channel, and I'll be more than happy to answer any questions that you may have. So take care, thanks for watching, and goodbye.